MTD Network has seen Stuart from GW Martin loads of times. We've done some reviews for them in terms of the capacity. We've been to their machine shop, which I have to say is really, really impressive, but they've been out spending some more money.
We have. We've just invested, we just placed an order for a CMZ TA machine when we placed it at the Mac show, so we're very excited about our new machine coming in a few months' time.
Okay. So in terms of the capacity, I mean, yeah, you've got a lot of milling, turning, like turning, for example, twin spindle, twin turret, if I can say it, even triple turret. So this machine doesn't differ from that sort of capability though?
Now the capability is very similar to our current machines. So a lot of our machines are mill turn machines. We turn bar up to about 65 mil, and we deal with billet loaded parts up to about 250 mil. So the capabilities are very similar in terms of the actual machining capabilities. What it does do is bring in an additional automation to the process.
Right, that was $1 million question. So if it doesn't make much change to what you've got in terms of capacity, what does it actually do?
Well, it does actually improve some of our capacity, because a lot of our long-running jobs, and we've got a number of new clients with some particularly long-running jobs. Yeah. Some of those can be quite repetitive. They can be quite tedious for our operators. Yeah. And we're looking to lift the skill of our workshop up. We're looking to lift the opportunities for our operators into more setting, more programming, and we don't really want them too tied up with repetitive work where they are just opening doors, swarfing down machines and changing billets.
Yeah, so yeah, you've got some really, really skilled engineers utilising their skills.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to try and give people as much opportunity as possible and lift the actual engineering. We want our engineers to do engineering, yeah, and have the machines do the operating.
Okay, so this is, well, Gantry loader, so what's it actually going to do in terms of how it's going to work, process, etc.?
We've got 3 key parts that we're looking to get set up on it initially for 3 different, actually new clients that we've got. We've been running those on mill turn machines. They've been quite labour intensive, and we found some of the guys have found them quite repetitive. So what this machine will do, particularly with the Gantry loader, is to take billets from a pallet and put them straight into the machine. The machine will machine the parts, and the Gantry load will then transfer the parts out of it. So largely, with a little bit of oversight, the machine can run hands-free.
So yeah. Some people, I say 24/7 lights out, or essentially unmanned running though.
Largely unmanned. I mean, we'll have people who will need to keep an eye on the quality, keep an eye on the inspection. But if that was an hourly inspection, the machine can run largely hands-off for every hour with intervention as required.
Okay. So ultimately, it's going to make you more efficient, utilise the skills of your engineers even better, and make you more competitive and more business.
Absolutely, it's going to give more opportunities to our engineers, more opportunities to our programmers, and make our engineering, I think, a more exciting job.
Brilliant, Stuart. Great investment. What we do look forward to is popping down to your machine shop and seeing it actually running and making some nice parts.
Absolutely, you're very welcome to.